Since we can't be in class today, we're going to be making a quick video about some things that you can find in METRC to help you out. So when you arrive, say hello to the friendly staff. Then you can head around to the fiction and nonfiction or information text section of the library. When you get over to this section, I just wanted to point out a couple of things. One, you may have noticed before we have all these really colorful labels on our books. These are actually genre labels. So here's a poster that explains what they mean. So if you see a light purple, for example, it's a poetry or stories in rhyme book. Light blue, realistic fiction. Kind of hot pink, fantasy sci-fi. Dark green is mystery, adventure, or thriller. Orange is historical fiction. This dark blue color are traditional or folktale books. And then the green is a personal narrative, like a biography, autobiography, or memoir. Also notice that some will have white labels on them, and these are probably the ones that are particularly simplistic. You will also notice on the front cover of many of our books, there are labels that show reading level and interest level. IL is where you will see interest level, which may help you with this project. Remember that in this project, you're looking for books that will be particularly exciting and interesting to students in grades 3 through 5. You will also notice on the side of this section, we have displays. And currently the display is for realistic fiction, since that's the assignment you guys are working on. And we're going to keep updating these displays related to the genres that you're working on in Anne's class. In the back section of our Media Center is our informational text or nonfiction section for K-12 books. These also have red labels on the spine. And in this section, this is where you'll find books that may be helpful for a couple of your other projects related to texts. When you're looking for books here, you may also notice that at the beginning of some section, we have some shelf markers that show what the books in that general area are going to be. So it means that these books here are sports books. For here, these books are on sociology, economy, family issues, and that goes for a couple of shelves. So look for those when you're trying to browse for information textbooks. Of course, also the way to anytime look for books in our library is to use the library catalog at lib.ncsu.edu. One more section you may be interested in. At the other side of our information text section are a series of bins that have leveled readers. These are packs of books that are at the beginning at the kindergarten level all the way up through the 5th grade level, and there are 5 books per pack so that you can use them with small groups of students.